Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's video is wheat flour cookies without eggs and oven. Let's start the recipe. The ingredients are listed in the video. Add 1/4 cup of ghee or butter. Ghee should be at the room temperature. Here I am using ghee. Now add half cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well for 5 minutes. These cookies are perfect for those who want to enjoy a homemade treat without the need for an oven or eggs. These cookies are delicious and easy treat to make at home. Whole wheat flour contains more fiber than refined flour, which can help promote healthy digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Now add 1 cup of wheat flour. Add 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 6 tablespoons of milk. Mix well and prepare the dough. Dough should not be so hard or so soft. If the dough is hard, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. And if the dough is so soft, add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. Apply ghee to the hands and prepare small doughs as shown in the video. Wheat flour contains some B vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc, which can support overall health and well-being. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Homemade wheat flour cookies can be a healthier alternative to store-bought cookies, which are often high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Now apply ghee to the cake tin or the steel plate. More snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Arrange the cookie doughs as shown in the video, giving more gap between them. Use sand or salt or steel stand at the bottom of the vessel. Preheat for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now place the cake tin. Here I am using old non-stick vessel for baking. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Sprinkle some sugar on it. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat, or bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.